Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. So in today's video I am giving you the laptop guide through which you can buy your best laptop under the budget of rupees 30,000. This laptop guide is made specially for the college student who are going to start their college journey as first year. So if you are excited for this video, then make sure you like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tech related and programming related videos. So let's start with our video. So my first laptop recommendation is this laptop in Virat Vaio Apero E15. The size is of 15.6 inches and it comes with AMD Ryzen 5 3500U processor, and the RAM slot is of 8GB RAM with memory storage of 512GB SSD. The display of this laptop is full HD display, and it comes with operating system of Windows 10 Home. You can upgrade this Windows 10 to Windows 11, and the processor you get is Radeon Vega 8 graphics, and it comes with MS 365 Office also. The color of this laptop is silver and it weighs around 1.59 kg, so you can easily carry this laptop in your bag and explore with your laptop. So this is my first laptop recommendation. Now let's move to second laptop, that is Avita Pure ENS14A6. This laptop is thin and lightweight laptop as it is 14 inches laptop and it weighs around 1.34 kg. It comes with AMD Ryzen 3500U processor with RAM slot of 8GB RAM and memory storage is of 512GB SSD, and it comes with display of HD TFT, and its color is shadow gray as it is shown in the description of Amazon site. Guys, you can purely depend on this guide if you are want to buy laptop under 30,000, as I have catered the list of best laptop under 30,000 through which I have filtered out these 8 laptops. So you can purely depend on this video, and I will provide the link of all these 8 laptops in my description box, so you can easily buy this laptop into Amazon store. So let's move to our next laptop, that is Infinix InBook X1. The Infinix InBook X1. The processor of this laptop is Intel Core i3 10th generation. So it is i3 10th generation, that is should be the best part of this laptop, and it comes with the 8GB RAM and 256GB SSD storage, and the operating system that they give you is Windows 11 Home. So it comes with Windows 11 and you have to not upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11, so that is the best part. And this is thin and lightweight laptop as it is also 14 inches and it weighs around 1.48 kg, so it is heavier than Avita Pure laptop. So guys, this is Infinix X1. It comes with noble red color. The color of this laptop I don't like, but you can buy this laptop as this is come with i3 and you can easily do coding and lightweight gaming in this laptop. So now I will move to my next recommendation, that is Acer Extensa 15. It comes with Ryzen 3 7320U. The first laptop that I show you is of AMD Ryzen 5 3500U. The generation of this laptop is old, but here you will get the newer generation, that is 7320U. I think this is the current version you will get in this laptop. This is quad core processor, so you can easily manage your softwares in this laptop. It comes with 8GB RAM, 256GB SSD storage, and the operating system they give you is Windows 11 Home. It comes with AMD Radeon graphics that is pre-installed in AMD processors. It weighs around 1.78 kg. That should be heavier laptop among the 4 laptops that I show you earlier. Its color is steel gray that you get, and it comes with full HD display. It costs you around 29,000. So now let's move to our next laptop recommendation, that is Acer 114 AMD Ryzen. Acer 114, the model of this the name of this model. It comes with AMD Ryzen 3 3250U. That is the older processor I think, and it comes with 8GB RAM, 512GB SSD, and AMD Radeon graphics pre-installed in this laptop. It comes with Windows 11 Home and it is thin and light laptop as it is 14 inches laptop. Guys, whenever you buy a new laptop, make sure that it should be 14 inches as this is easy to carry in your bag, and you can explore the college anywhere with your laptop. So make sure that it should be 14 inches. The first laptop is 15 inches. You can also buy this, but the laptop size is bigger and it will look like desktop rather than a laptop. So make sure you will buy 14 inches laptop and it have SSD. So now I move to my next laptop recommendation, that is of Lenovo E4155. It comes with AMD Ryzen 3250U processor, and the RAM is of 8 GB RAM, and it comes with 1 TB storage of HSD, not SSD. So if you are a user who are working on large project and want to store their project for longer time, then this laptop is made for you, as this provide you 1 TB HSD. And if you install SSD in this laptop later, then this will not be beneficial, as this is pre-installed with HDD and you cannot replace the SSD in this laptop. So make sure, if you are buying SSD laptop and want to do only coding, then this laptop is not made for you. You can buy HDD later to store your products or software, large software that you require. But if you want to use this laptop as to do large software works, then you can buy this laptop. They will provide you 1 year on-site warranty. If you go to their site, Lenovo site, then you will get 1 year warranty also. So you will free for 1 year, and it comes with iron gray color. So now let's move to our next laptop recommendation, that is Asus VivoBook 15. It comes with Intel Celeron processor, and it is thin and lightweight laptop, and the processor of this laptop is 8 GB RAM, and it comes with 512 GB SSD with integrated graphics of Windows of Intel. It is Windows 11 operating system they provide, and it comes with Office 2021. And here you also get the feature of fingerprint, through which you can unlock your laptop through fingerprint scanner, and its color is silver, and it weighs around 1.8 kg. So this is heavier laptop. So now I move to my last laptop recommendation, that is HP laptop 15S. So here the processor they provide you is Intel Celeron, and it comes with 8 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD, Intel UHD graphics, and dual speaker, Windows 11 operating system you get, and it weighs around 1.69 kgs. So that's all the 8 laptops I have showed you in the Amazon that you can get under the budget of rupees 30,000. So in my point of view, I will recommend you the laptop, that is Avita Pure ENS14A6, because this laptops fulfill all the requirement that a college student need, as it comes with 8 GB RAM, that should be the minimum RAM, and you will get in this laptop. And also they provide you 512 GB storage, that is sufficient for college journey. But later on, if you want to upgrade this, then you can add external storage to it also, as this come with ports. And here you will get Windows 10 Home, that you will in future upgrade to Windows 11, and it weighs around 1.344 kg. So it should be a lighter weight laptop, and you can easily carry this laptop in your bag and can explore the college with your laptop, and it costs you around 25,000. So this should be the best laptop under 30,000 budget. In my prospect, you should buy this laptop under the budget of 30,000. So that's all guys with this video. So thank you for watching this video. Now if you want, then I will also make the series of renewed laptop, through which you can buy the best renewed laptop under the budget of rupees 30,000. So thank you for watching this video guys. Do share this video and like this video, and if you want me to continue with this series, then make sure you comment in the comment box. So that's